Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another unboxing. I've been doing quite a few unboxings on my channel, but I cannot help myself. But this was a really good buy. I did mention that I bought something from Saks Fifth Avenue, my last video I think, yeah. And I did save quite a few bits of money. So I am so excited to tell you guys and show you guys what I got, because this bag was literally on my wish list. Do you guys want to see a wish list kind of video? If you do, just like this video or let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, let's get right into this unboxing because I'm super duper excited. Before we get started, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Maria Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, then hit that subscribe button, please. And also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is on Mondays and Thursdays. So yeah, join a little luxury family. We're all nice here. I love your guys', is that the right word, guys's? I love your guys' comments on every video that I get. It's just so sweet. You guys are so informative. And if you hear my puppy in the background, she's playing with my other dog, so sorry about that. But yeah, let's just get right into this unboxing, guys. I'm so excited, but a little bit disappointed. Why? I will let you know why. Before we get into the details, as you guys can see, I did get something from Saks Fifth Avenue from Saint Laurent. I'm a little disappointed because when I got my package, this is all that came in the box, and I was expecting at least a Saks Fifth Avenue box, because I know that Saks Fifth Avenue doesn't send the luxury brands box, but all I had was the brown box that usually comes in the mail, and then this. There was no protection to protect the bag or anything, and I'm just kind of disappointed about that. I do love Saks Fifth Avenue because of like the deals they have. Sometimes you get to save a lot of money. Delivery time is so quick, which I love, but it's just their packaging I don't really like. And I don't know if it's to the point where I don't want to buy from them anymore. February 10th in the morning, I usually check my emails, so I saw an email that Saks Fifth Avenue was having a promotion, and I also did receive a coupon in the mail that you could save $300. So I was like, oh, okay. I went on to the Saks Fifth Avenue website, and I know that always Saint Laurent is a part of their specials, but like I know that Gucci definitely isn't. And some other luxury brands I don't know about, but yeah, Saint Laurent is always on their sales. So I was like, oh my gosh, I wonder if they have this bag. I've been looking at it. I tried it on the Short Hills Mall in Neiman Marcus, and I just love this bag. But at the price point, I was like, I'm not gonna drop $2,000 on a bag right now. I can't. I'm not gonna do it. Just get out of your head. Keep it on your wish list, and maybe when you go to Europe, I was planning on getting this bag in Europe because it's cheaper and I'll get money back for it. So I went on the Saks Fifth Avenue website and I saw this bag, put it in my cart, put in the code, and it took $300 off this bag. Plus, I usually use Ebates, which is an app that gives you percentage off for certain companies. And this is not a sponsored video at all, but yeah, Ebates gives you percentage off. So on top of the $300, I got 10% back of my purchase. So in total, I saved $465 on this bag. So it was a done deal. I literally bought it, and it's here with me today. This is the dust bag that it came with, Saint Laurent on it. I love their dust bags. It's like very like thick and like very sturdy kind of bag. So, are you guys ready for the reveal? I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the Saint Laurent Small Matelassé Loulou bag. It is so gorgeous. I have been wanting this bag for such a long time. Wish list for 2020, and yeah, I just was always drawn to the black and silver, and I was looking for like this kind of type of bag because I was looking for like an edgy kind of bag. I don't have an edgy kind of bag in my collection. I have more like classic pieces, so I was looking for something that was classic but also like an edgy kind of look to it. Because my wardrobe is pretty casual, I like obsessed with hoodies, so yeah, I'm more of like a casual kind of dresser, more like chill and casual, street style kind of wardrobe. So I just wanted something that I could throw on with every outfit that I wore. So happy that I have this new baby in my collection. But yeah, I just love this bag so much. I love the strap because this bag has a lot of detailing. So this strap has metal, which OMG, this metal strap is so beautiful. I don't know if it's gonna focus. There we go. So do you guys see that? It's such a gorgeous color. It's very like luxurious feeling, the strap. I love when bags have like very good straps on them. And on the leather pull, like these, there's like 2 leather tabs here for your shoulder because of the metal. It won't dig into your shoulder. So I love that about this. And the straps say Saint Laurent on it. So yeah, it has Saint Laurent on both leather tabs. And you can wear this bag in multiple different ways. I will show you guys some mod shots at the end of the video. It does have that matelassé style of the bag. This leather is so plush. It's a very luxurious feel to it. I love the way this bag feels. It has no exterior pockets. Again, it has that Y matelassé style. Here is the side of the bag. Here is the other side. This is the bottom. It has no feet, just this leather piece. And yeah, so let's get inside the interior of the bag. It does have a magnetic closure and opening like that. And on this part of the button, it does say Saint Laurent on it. You guys can see that. Again, it has that matelassé. Am I saying that right? I'm probably not saying that right, so don't judge me. But yeah, it has that design again, and the interior is so roomy. I love this bag because it's not an oversized bag, but it fits everything that I need. Because, let's show you guys. So it has this middle zipper compartment, like that. And in here, I just have my Saint Laurent authenticity card. I always keep those in my bag. So yeah, it has the zipper compartment. I did try to put my phone in it. It does not fit, but it's okay because I have like little things that I could put in the middle compartment. It has this deep front compartment of the bag, and then it has another deep compartment in the back of the bag, and also this extra little back pocket, which is very nice. This bag reminds me of the Chanel Classic flap, but it's just not the price of a Chanel Classic flap, but definitely goals one day. This beautiful YSL, very like thick logo. I love that because it makes it a little pop a little bit. You could tell that it's such good quality. The magnetic closure is very, very tough, which I love because, I mean, who would want a bag that their flap is gonna come undone so easily. The interior of the bag right here, it says Saint Laurent Paris. If you could see that right there. Also, the straps are attached to these 2 little D-rings on the bag. You cannot remove the straps. But I love the little details of this bag because even on the little holes for the strap, it says Saint Laurent Paris on it. I love when bags have the extra little detailing that it gives, like, it makes you feel like the designer really had thought into this bag. That is all that I have for you guys today. I really can't say much more about this bag because I haven't really used it yet. but I will definitely do a review video and what's in my bag video. And if you have any other suggestion videos of this bag, then just please let me know. If you want me to do like a comparison video, I could do that too. If you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for all our new friends. I'm so grateful. I love your comments. I love you guys. You're just so positive, and that's what my goal was when I first started my channel. I just wanted a positive community coming together that have the same passion, and it's just been amazing and I love it so much. So thank you all, and thank you for being so informative on my videos, letting me know about things. I am just so grateful. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.